At least one member of staff is suspected of trying to access the Princess of Wales notes. But in the last few minutes, the chief executive of the London Clinic, where the Princess of Wales was treated earlier this year, has said...
This is the quote. All appropriate investigatory, regulatory and disciplinary steps will be taken when looking at these alleged data breaches. So, just to repeat, the London Clinic has acknowledged alleged data breaches and said all appropriate investigatory, regulatory and disciplinary steps will be taken.
Very interesting indeed.
Let's cross live now to the London Clinic because our royal reporter, our royal correspondent Cameron Walker joins us now from the scene. Cameron, a statement.
Yeah, clearly this is a huge headache for the London Clinic, Tom. It's a hospital in central London which is well used and trusted to treat royalty, politicians and celebrities as well. They say on their website that they pride themselves on providing excellence in one place. And as we know, the Princess of Wales was admitted here in January for what Kensington Palace described as planned abdominal surgery. And last night it all kicked off a bit because the Mirror reported that at least one member of staff allegedly attempted to access the Princess of Wales's private medical notes. The paper also reported that bosses contacted Kensington Palace immediately after they discovered the alleged breach and were investigating. Now, Kensington Palace told me last night that it is very much a matter for the hospital. The statement from the hospital to the Mirror last night said, "We firmly believe that all our patients, no matter their status, deserve total privacy and confidentiality." And of course, as you just said, Tom, in the last couple of minutes, the chief executive of the London Clinic has said all appropriate investigatory, regulatory and disciplinary steps will be taken when looking at this alleged data breach. Now, the Information Commissioner Office also released a statement to us this morning. They said we can confirm that we have received a breach report and are assessing the information provided. Now, this is clearly very serious because it is potentially a criminal offence to access someone's private medical details without their permission or indeed the hospital's permission, i.e. unless you're directly involved in the treatment of that patient, it could be a criminal offence. Health Minister Maria Caulfield caused a little bit of confusion this morning by suggesting that the police had been asked to look into this. The Metropolitan Police spokesperson said that they're not aware of any referral to them this morning. But of course, this is in the context of all these conspiracies surrounding the Princess of Wales when it comes to her health. It's also the hospital, because it could have wider implications, because this is also the hospital where King Charles underwent a procedure on his enlarged prostate. And we know King Charles is still receiving outpatient cancer treatment at an undisclosed private London hospital. So clearly huge implications. But that statement, just to repeat, in the last few minutes from the chief executive of the hospital, that all appropriate investigatory, regulatory and disciplinary steps will be taken.
Thank you so much, Cameron Walker. It'll be incredibly important for the London Clinic to get to the bottom of this, to get to the bottom of what exactly has happened, considering just how many high-profile patients they have, not least the royal family, of course.
Certainly. And is this one rogue member of staff, or is this a deeper problem?